Our back is the support of body in standing and also in taking a stand. Have you noticed some women developing backaches when their spouse or their family is not supportive of their work? And sometimes men also develop backaches after a financial crisis or after getting a bad appraisal at work. These are not norms, these are just observations. I am calling backache a gift because having backaches or spinal problems is an invitation to revisit and renew our idea of support in life, our idea of having a backbone for ourselves. So you reconsider your relationship with support. What supports you? Who supports you? Is it your family, your spouse, or is it money, or is it certain faith? Or whose support were you seeking that you did not get? While it would be different emotion for different people around different situations, I will share some of the common thoughts around this and you see if anything resonates for you. Where in your life do you feel most unsupported? Or what needs to be done that you don't have a spine for? In what aspects of your experience do you miss having someone's back? Are you not supported at your workplace? Um, or are you not supported in a when it comes to a particular certain thing? This woman I knew had a very brilliant fashion sense and wanted to open her own boutique, but her husband did not think it was honorable to do so. So no support from her husband or family. First thing that went sore in her body was her back. Another question: where does survival seem difficult without anyone, anything uh, that contributes to your lower backaches? Or where in life or in what aspect of your life do you not have your own back? For example, you do not want to quit the job that you hate, and a person may develop backaches. This means what your body is trying to say is you do not have your own back in that decision. Literally. How else do you think your body would communicate with you? Yes, I understand. Sometimes it may be difficult and scary to make that change, but if you continue working on the job that you hate for year after year, this will at some point become the so called lifestyle disease like high blood pressure or diabetes. If you cannot immediately make that change that your body is asking for, at least you can have a plan and slowly work towards it. It could be any of these feelings settling into your body or some things from your childhood, some childhood events or your interpretation of it. For example, for my mom, we worked on two of her very specific childhood experiences where she overheard her parents having a conversation about money and she got scared, like, we don't have enough money. And just working on those two small incidents worked like magic for her backache. One person was in between jobs, and that sense of being financially unsupported that made his back go sore and aching. One of my friend was struggling with severe backache, and we were talking over a meal in a noisy, crowded food court in a mall, and I could not sense anything. So I suggested her a couple of things to acknowledge the support that she already has in her life, um, be it a support of the chair, the mattress, the cushion, or anything, and also have something in her room as a visual reminder of this. So she, being brilliant, creative, innovative person, she wrote something with a marker on the corner of her pillow and hung a picture of goddess Durga and wrote the word backbone underneath it as an affirmation of you, goddess Durga, is my backbone. So I talked to her after a month or so, and she said a miracle happened and her back was fine. Most of the times, it just takes a little willingness, little open mind, and listening to your body to know exactly how you feel about support in your life and start making small changes in how you relate to this idea of support. Sometimes making an external change can bring about the internal shift, and sometimes making the internal shift inspires some external change. There are no right or wrong ways to seek support from people, institutions, money, things. At one point in your life, maybe having your family's back, maybe having your family's back can mean wellness. And at another point, maybe being your own support or having your own back can make you stand more powerfully in yourself. If you try something, changing your emotion around support, do it for at least a couple of weeks and see how your body responds to it. Maybe that is all you will need to heal your backache. I hope this was useful. Thank you.